Hi children, welcome back to Ramayanam. Yes, in yesterday's episode we saw that Rama met with Bharata and Bharata took Rama's sandals, went to Ayodhya, kept his sandals on the Simhasan and he ruled in Rama's name. So after Rama met Bharata, Rama wanted to change his place from Chitrakuta to some other place. So Rama, Sita and Lakshmana together they roamed about in the forest. They went towards the river Godavari and they met with so many rishis and had their darshans, had their blessings. So they stayed in the forest for so many years. Were going on like that. Okay? Yes, slowly. Yes, they went towards the Godavari and finally they met with Agastya Mahamuni, who gave them advice that they can stay in Panchavati. They can stay in Panchavati on the banks of river Godavari. So that was the advice given by Agastya Mahamuni. Okay, children. So they met so many rishis and had their blessings. So children, after meeting so many people, they came to Godavari and stayed there for so many days. Okay children, and whenever there was a demon or a Rakshasa, Rama and Lakshmana killed them. And they saw so many sages who came to their abode, that is their kutira. Lakshmana built a kutira in Panchavati and they all three lived happily there. So whatever they had, they ate in a very simple manner and lived there for so many years. So children, so you could see here that they were living a peaceful life. Rama and Sita were enjoying the life in the forest and Lakshmana was always with them. When they slept, he kept guard and they were very happy even though they were in the jungles. Okay children? Yes, Rama. So, Rama, Lakshmana and Sita were very happy. They lived there in the forest of near Godavari very happily. They lived in Panchavati. You can see Panchavati in the present Bhadrachalam children. Yes, Panchavati is in Bhadrachalam. So, till the entry of Surpanaka, they lived happily for so many years. Okay, Rama, Lakshmana and Sita together lived happily for so many years. They used to go into the forest, they used to roam here and there, they used to eat whatever fruits or whatever they found in the forest. Yes, and they lived happily. They did not feel that they didn't have the facilities of the palace. So whatever Rama was sent to yes, by Dasharatha, sent to the forest by Dasharatha. He said that he was following his father's orders. So he did that happily. He was not in blame for anyone. He didn't blame Kaikeyi either. He didn't blame Bharata either. And here Bharata was living on the outskirts of the Ayodhya in a kutir, and Rama, Lakshmana and Sita also lived in a kutir in Panchavati. So that is all for today, children, and tomorrow we will see the entry of Surpanaka. Yes, I will explain about Surpanaka tomorrow, children. Bye.